Welcome to AI TechBook. Today we start the Claude Code Masterclass with the mental model engineers need first. If you think Claude Code is just chat with file access, this lesson will change how you use it. Claude Code is not a shortcut for guessing snippets. It is an engineering loop. That loop has 6 moves. Read the repo. Build a plan. Ask for tool permission. Edit the working tree. Run checks. Report what changed and what still needs review. Here is the real scenario. You open an unfamiliar Next.js and Supabase app. The weak request is add the feature. The strong request is map the app, find the entry points, name the risks, and propose the first safe task. Now the workflow becomes concrete. First inspect package files and routes, then identify data boundaries, then locate tests and local commands. Then choose a narrow change. Only after that should code change. This is the difference from a chatbot. A chatbot gives you a snippet. Claude Code can work inside the project, use tools, compare files, patch code, and verify the result. The value is not the prompt, the value is the loop. But review still matters. Keep the blast radius small. Read the diff. Run targeted checks. Use the browser for user-facing changes. If something feels off, ask for root cause, not another patch. Episode 1 checklist. Understand the workspace. Plan the task. Approve the tools. Verify the change. Review the diff. That mental model is the foundation for every advanced workflow in this series. Thank you for watching AI TechBook. Build the workflow, not just the prompt.